Hi, are you a AI job seeker? Are you a fresher or a career gap or switching from a non-IT to IT? You wanted to skilling the AI/ML knowledge? I am Venkat Nayak, founder of 3D Software Training. Soon I am launching a 90 minutes webinar towards how GenAI tools are going to be used in order to build a full stack applications rather than applying your scratch programming knowledge. Even this particular skill set is really expected and expecting from the industry. Hence, this particular webinar is going to give you completely hands-on knowledge where you will be able to learn what kind of GenAI tools such as a CLAD, OpenAI, Cursor, other tools with which you will be able to build the complete three-tier architecture or three-tier applications, how exactly from the front end to the back end, how the application is going to build. I'll give you the hands-on knowledge. If you are really interested to be enrolled for this course, definitely you will be able to enroll right now. Seats are limited.